Annyeonghaseyo, Princess and Hyacinth.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, you will be receiving your chocolates that is from Dongjunim. So, you haven't received it when we distribute the chocolates because you were absent. So, that is from Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Mina,
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
are you done writing the multiplication?
Yes.
Sige, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you 5 questions for you to able to pass. 9, 6,
54,
7, 7,
49,
8, 6,
48,
7, 5,
35,
3, 2,
6,
4, 4.
16.
Very good. So you passed. So thank you, Bina, and bye for now. Morning, Precious.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Are you done writing? Oh, sige, let's check. Okay, pakli ah. 1, 2, 3. Yan pa.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very good. So I'm gonna ask you 5 questions ah. Mababa ka. 3 times, 3, 2.
6,
4, 6.
24,
3, 7.
21,
4, 3.
12,
5, 5.
25.
Oh, very good. So, mag-practice maayo ha, and also practice the story. Bye-bye, Precious.
Bye, Teacher Nisan.
Good morning, Gina.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
So, are you done writing the multiplication? Are you done? So, let me see. Asa daw? 1. So, next. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 22, 23, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you 5 questions. Ang habaw na ba ka? 9, 4,
36,
4, 8,
32,
3, 2,
6,
4, 2,
8,
last kay 7, 5.
35.
Alright, good. So you may now go and study the story. Bye for now, Gina.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요. Uncle Bunim, 감사합니다 for the choco pie and milk.
Okay. Imna na din yun. Okay, continue drinking and eating your choco pie. Bye!
Bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Lawrence.
안녕하세요.
So, you are done with your assignments? Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Ay, bali.
27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? 30 times. So, basa sa ang kuan, basa sa ang 8 to 8 times 2.
Sige.
8 times 2 equals 16. 8
No,
times 3
8
equals
2. 8 2. Yeah, 16.
8 2, 16. 8 3, 24. 8 4, 32. 8 5, 40. 8 6, 48. 8 7, 56. 8 8, 64. 8 9, 72.
So,
Test na ka na mo.
let me check your mathematical skills. So, your
Okay.
so are you ready?
Are you ready?
3 4.
12.
6 4.
24.
7 3.
21.
8 4.
32.
4 4 5.
20.
7 2.
14.
7 5.
25.
3 6.
18.
9 4.
36.
8 3.
8.
3.
24.
8 2.
16.
6 2.
12.
So fighting. So you are pass. So fighting.
Fighting.
Bye bye.